Key skills and qualities needed to be a content manager. To be a content manager, you must have certain skills and qualities. Here are the top 5. Creative vision. Content managers can create visually appealing and engaging content for their audiences. They should possess a creative eye to help develop unique, captivating pieces of content. Strategic thinking. Thinking strategically is essential for content managers to know how each piece of content fits into the overall strategy and how it contributes to achieving goals. Technical knowledge. Content managers need to have a good understanding of digital marketing, SEO, analytics, and web design to be successful. A technical background helps content managers decide where their content should live online. Organization. Content managers must have excellent organizational skills and be able to manage multiple projects at once. Being organized helps them stay on top of deadlines and ensure that all content meets the highest standards. Communication. Content managers must have excellent communication skills to work effectively with their teams, clients, and audiences. They should be able to convey ideas, share feedback, and provide constructive criticism. Being a content manager is a challenging position, but those who possess these skills and qualities are well equipped to handle the job. With their strategic vision and technical knowledge, content managers can create amazing pieces of content that help their clients succeed. A cross-platform content strategy is also helpful in engaging with existing and potential customers. With the right combination of skills, content managers can create engaging content that resonates with their audiences. Mastering essential skills is vital for achieving success in any field. It also applies to cryptocurrency investments. Among all the necessary skills, developing trading expertise is crucial to yield significant returns. Fortunately, in today's era of technological advancements, numerous innovative solutions are available to help you learn and enhance trading skills. Among these solutions, one valuable tool in the world of trading is technical analysis. Technical analysis is the one tool that can drastically help your trading. Out of the numerous technical analysis tools, there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and its content. Learn more. Get ready to elevate your trading experience to new heights with TradingView. This remarkable tool is the key to unlocking success in the stock market. TradingView offers a comprehensive range of features designed specifically for traders that cater to your every need. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your trading journey with TradingView. To learn about the power of content development, check out our previous video.